Good morning, Joe Biondo with Inbound Logistics here at day 2 of MODEX 2026. Right now I am sitting with Norm Kukuk, president of Orbis Corporation. Norm, how are you today?
Very good, Joe. What a great show so far. It's been exciting and great to see all our customers and partners.
Thanks a lot for taking the time to sit down with us. Let's jump right into it, Norm. So what are you seeing as the single biggest pain point your customers are bringing to you now as compared to 2 years ago?
Yeah, great question. When we look at some of the customer requests and what they're asking now is flexibility. What can we do with automation that will work with several different size containers? So they're right-sizing what parts in their automated systems and racks to a size container. So we need to be able to build our containers to be able to work with different sizes within their systems.
And looking around the MODEX floor today, is there anything you've seen that may have been unthinkable even just 5 years ago?
Yeah, you know what? There's not a lot that I would say is unthinkable, but I'll position this as what's important. And what's been exciting is to have conversations and be part of conversations with our customers as the packaging and the tote or pallet supplier, with a vision system supplier and a racking system supplier, a software supplier. So we've had multiple stakeholders all working together. And when we're all doing it up front and part of the planning process, things go really well and much more successful in a system launch. So it's been exciting and something that I would say, especially being the tote part of it, wasn't always the case 2 and 4 and 5 years ago.
So you mentioned a bunch of different products and software platforms there. What would you say is the biggest mistake you're seeing companies make as they embark on this digital transformation journey that everyone's talking about?
Yes, so what I would see selfishly is think about the whole program up front. We're seeing a lot more of that, but every once in a while a system will be designed and, oh, what about the tote? Or how does it interact with the vision system, and how are we going to detect it with the laser eyes? It's thinking it all up front as much as you can before going and embarking on the journey. Scoping out a full plan is key, and something that we're excited when gets done, and it definitely generates more success.
That's a great point, Norm. So we're seeing amazing robots all over the show here, but they're only as good as the totes that they carry, right? So why is precision molding the secret to keeping these multi-million-dollar systems from jamming?
Yeah, so we need to work in tolerances of a millimeter or two, and over time we continue to reinvest in our injection molding presses, our cooling systems. How do we handle and manufacture our parts to ensure that we're maintaining the tolerances required for the robotic manufacturers? How the software is going to drive and teach the robots to handle packaging, and it's our part and it's our stake in the process. And just excited about the trust and confidence we've built with our partners and our customers, and being able to hold those tight tolerances and minimize and eliminate any downtime in their system.
So Orbis is a licensed auto store bin supplier. What would you say is the biggest difference between a standard plastic bin and one that's been engineered to be stacked and retrieved millions of times in a grid?
Yeah, it's the more systems we do and the more experiences we get, it's been interesting. Our tote, it needs to maintain that tight tolerance for the system integrity. We've seen customers not ready for them and put them outside and bring them in from the outside, just exposures, and still work great. So the design the auto store team has come up with, that we're embarking on that journey to manufacture. It's proven, and our piece on it is proving out is when our systems launch with our partners, they've been going very successful without a hitch. And the exciting thing is just holding the tight tolerance and the integrity and the quality of the container. It's been exciting to be a part of.
So prior to sitting down here, we were outside looking at the Arrows totes, which are designed specifically for automation. What's the one feature here that makes a robotic ripper's life easier?
Yeah, what I'm most excited about is when you look at the different quadrants inside the container. Our divider system, if it's a slower moving part, a customer may take a container and divide multiple SKUs into a container. The way our divider system works with the tote and picking parts out of that container, our divider system, high quality, straight, it doesn't flex, doesn't get in the way of picking out of each of the cells. And so really excited about our divider system and how it interfaces with robotics. It doesn't get in the way of picking parts in different SKUs out of the same container.
So let's pivot over to retail here and talk for a minute about express pickup. So how does express pickup and the design there help a store associate find and deliver an online order faster than a traditional part?
Yeah, so a couple of facets there. One is the casters. We've had to develop a caster that goes through different floors within the store. It's got to go outside of the cement over curbs. So we've developed not only a platform that engages with the containers, holds them into place within the containers. It's designed to hold the shopping bags, one for filling up the bags with the consumer goods, but on the delivery, keeping a smooth delivery, not falling off the dolly, not creating any damage in the product. So it's got to go through the whole, let's call it chain, the supply chain, the value chain within the store and out to the curb. And our system working together, using the dolly with the container, it's been an exciting package together.
So there's been a lot of talk recently about PPWR packaging regulations. How does switching to a reusable system like OptiBulk help a company stay compliant and stop shipping empty air?
Yeah, so what's exciting about the OptiBulk container is, one, we're creating that reusable loop. I believe our industry in reusable packaging is a sweet spot for using plastics. And you can use it. We have products that can use 200-300 times. Some pallets designed that have gone through testing even more than that. So what's exciting about it with the OptiBulk in particular is you can fill it with goods on the outbound. The sleeve, it condenses, nests, lays flat on the pallet. So the reverse logistics of getting the packaging back minimizes the freight. We get the return rate at least 3.5 to 1 on the return of the sleeve pack, the OptiBulk, back to the user to fill it back up and to keep it reuse. So it's an exciting part of the circular economy of keeping the same packaging used dozens and dozens of times and help that customer with the return on investment, not only from delivering their parts safely, but the reverse logistics and optimizing that reverse freight as well.